Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car buffers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Adams 9mm dual action car polisher. Adams Swirl Killer is robust, but also comfortable and ergonomic. When running the 9mm Swirl Killer on our car hood, the concave rubber handhold did an excellent job of reducing vibrations. Besides the vibration reduction, the rubber sleeves and handholds would protect the Swirl Killer if dropped. Adams Swirl Killer. It also comes in 12, 15, and 21-inch versions, comes with a 5-inch backing pad and is compatible with any 5-inch hook and loop pad or bonnet. But, whew, was that sticky fabric strong! Prying these pads off the backing plate was like pulling gum from beneath a school desk. Not impossible, but not easy. That is not a negative in our eyes. Because of these excellent features and its overall performance, we placed Adams Polish's Swirl Killer right at the top of our best car buffers list. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Grios Garage G9 Random Orbital Polisher 10901. A staple in the car buffing world, the Grios Garage G9 easily earned a spot in our update of this test. Ergonomically, it felt great, and the G9 includes a handy rubber bumper for setting it upside down when not in use. A polarizing feature on this buffer is the on-off trigger. While some prefer a variable speed trigger, others lean towards the on-off approach with adjustments to speed via the dial. However, the G9's on-off button lets you set your speed, click it on, and take your fingers off the trigger until you're ready to turn it off. While it did polish our scratched-up hood with ease, we noticed a bit more vibration compared to others in this test. Additionally, the tool alone does not come with any pads. However, you can buy kits that do, such as the Starter Kit or Boss Kit. Overall, the ergonomics and performance throw it right into the fold with the best. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys BUF. If you're looking for a versatile, heavy-duty buffer, the Chemical Guys Torx has you covered. Though powerful, the Torx unit is quite dense, weighing in at 8.6 pounds. During the hood challenge, we experienced some slight fatigue in the left arm, but that's to be expected when holding a buffer going 4,200 RPM. While Chemical Guys suggests using their proprietary hex logic pads, the unit utilizes hook and loop backing, leaving you with compatibility for many other pads of your choosing. Additionally, the unit has an interchangeable backing plate, making the Torx QX adaptable for both large surface areas and smaller contours. The backing plates are sold separately, however. If you're looking for a product that can adapt the way a professional needs to, Chemical Guys Torx Buffer is the unit for you. At number 2, we have the BATOCA. Despite its compact size and lesser-known brand identity, the cordless BATOCA is a compelling car buffer capable of up to 5,000 hour OPM. In addition, it's lightweight, ergonomic, and battery-powered. The BATOCA unit has everything you need to get started: 4 foam pads, 2 synthetic wool pads, various bonnets, microfiber cloths, a carrier bag, and an apron. In addition, the package offers 2 batteries to keep buffing even when the juice runs dry. Even with the 2 battery units, we were delighted to discover the battery test ran over 3.5 hours. This colorful, compact unit reminded us of our kindergarten teacher, small yet mighty, practical, and with endless hours of energy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Avid Power Buffer Polisher. The Avid Power Buffer is an excellent choice for those on a budget. The buffer comes with 3 pads for heavy, medium, and light cutting. This corded buffer is louder than most, ringing in at 91 decibels, but it felt sturdy enough in our hands during use. Though robust, we did find that the grip points on the body of the tool were not the most comfortable way to hold a polisher while under load, noting some discomfort during the 5-minute hood test. Eliminating comfort from the equation, we think this is an excellent choice for starters. For a low cost, you're getting a powerful car buffer with 3 pads. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.